Hi there, my name is Frank Strazza. I'm from down in Texas, and I'm teaching this week here at Marc Adams, and where students are all building this end table right here. So in this class, they're learning multiple skills, including hand-cut mortise and tenons, how to cut curves and tapers on legs, how to glue up material, and last but not least, how to build a drawer like this, including half-blind dovetails, through dovetails, a paneled drawer bottom, and then of course getting it to fit. I'll show you some of the joinery that's utilized in this piece. I mentioned the mortise and tenons right here, but then we have a dovetail on the top here that secures this front leg system together. So you can see that. The mortise and tenons over here on the bench this is actually a haunched mortise and tenon, and what that means is it's got this cutout here, and then we've got, this is all, we're learning how to hand chop the mortises, both learning machine methods and hand methods. So this fits in here nice and tight like this, and fits all the way down. And that's what holds the table together primarily. The great thing about learning mortise and tenon joinery is that this is a joint that's used in so many pieces of furniture, from tables, chairs, beds, chests, you name it. So the skills that they'll be learning in this class are those transferable to making any size table or a desk. They'll be able to make, learning the skills to make a drawer, they'll be able to make a chest of drawers. So yeah, it's going to be a good class and focus primarily on hand tools, although we do use some machinery for this process, but this entire table could be done with hand tools, and the skills that they'll be learning, as I mentioned, are going to be skills like using a handsaw, hand planes, scrapers, spokeshaves, and things like that. So thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in a future class here at Marc Adams.